Hey guys, Jessica here with Farmhouse Flair, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a DIY project here on my great grandmother's cabinet that was passed down to me from my mother, and I'm going to be saving the glass, so don't worry. I will be putting it in safekeeping in case I decide to put it back in the cabinet, but I really do like how the right hand side has turned out, and I thought I will share with you how I go about doing it to the left side of the store. And I think it will look really a lot better with when I'm videoing or taking pictures of this cupboard. And because you do get a really bad glare, and you really don't get a good look of what's inside the cabinet because there's such a bad glare on the cabinet over here with the glass. So I really do like how you can see a lot better inside the cupboard with the chicken wire. So that's what I'm going to be doing today on this project, and I will share with you what I will be using. I will be using this chicken wire that I purchased from Walmart. It is actually back by the floral area and the craft area in the back of my store, and it's called Rustic Farmhouse Patio Hearth and Home chicken wire floral netting. So I like how it's a little bit smaller than some of the chicken wire is a little bit bigger than this, but this is a smaller size, so really like it, and I'm happy with how the right side has turned out. So I'm going to be sharing the left side and how I go about doing this with you. And so yeah, so come along with me and watch how this project turns out. And I think it really gives it a more of a French country feel to it, French farmhouse style. So I'm liking it so far. So, but I will put the glass in safekeeping, like I said, so that in case I ever decide I want to put the glass back in the door fronts. So here we go. Hey guys, I forgot to mention to you that this chicken wire is only $3.44 at Walmart, so I wanted to make sure I tell you the price of that. I thought that was really a great price, very affordable for that chicken wire, and makes this project really cheap to do. So just wanted to let you guys know that. And I will also be using these scissors here of Mr. Hubsters, and they're so great. They're like really heavy duty for cutting wire. So I'm going to be using those to trim where I need to trim for this project. All right, let's get started. Hey guys, it's all done and I'm really happy with how it turned out. Let me know what you guys thought of this DIY project. Do you like the glass doors or the chicken wire doors better? And I will show you an up-close shot of the finished project here. Okay guys, here it is. I'm going to take you in a little closer. I think it's just so nice because you can really see what's inside the cupboard. And I'm going to open up the door to show you that I put the chicken wire in here just tucked it in between the wood slat and the back of the door here. So, and to remove the glass, I just removed this piece of trim, this wood trim here, and then slid the glass up and out of there, and then I just when I put the chicken wire in, I just reattached that when I was done and then trimmed the top of the wire off. And of course I had to trim down here as well below. And then I tucked the chicken wire in between the trim here. So I am really happy with how it turned out. Like I said, let me know what you guys think, and we will see you in the next one. All right, bye guys. Hey guys, I wanted to share this little project I'm working on with you. And I already started painting it, and I'm like, oops, I should probably video this. Or at least show the before and after. I already started painting the top. It looks like I might have started painting the drawer, but I didn't. The drawer was already like that. I'm painting it a very light gray paint that I'm just using some paint that I already had around the house here. So just using leftover paint, and it's a very light gray. It probably almost looks white on here, but I'll be painting the whole thing. And then I'll be selling this piece of furniture. Such a cute little nightstand or little side table with a drawer. And my husband, I was so proud of him because he never wants to stop and pick up things that people are throwing out on the curbside that they're just wanting to get rid of. And he gets so embarrassed, he won't stop for me usually. So anyways, I was so proud of him because he actually stopped, and I wasn't even with him, and he picked this up for me and thought that I would like it as a painting project, makeover DIY project. So I was so proud of him. So thanks to Mr. Hubster, I've got this cute little table to work on, and I think it'll be really cute when I'm all done. And I wish I would have showed you the before of this. I just picked this up the other day at the thrift store for a really good price, and I've already painted it. I get too anxious to do a project, and I forget to do before and after pics or do a video of the before and after. But anyways, this is a little end table that I just finished. I painted that with the Rust-Oleum chalk paint in the linen white, and then I just distressed it, wet distressed it, and I really like that. I had never done that before, and this was my first time trying that. I usually use sandpaper to distress the edges, but I really like the wet distress, and it makes it's a lot cleaner. It doesn't make the mess that sanding will, and you're not bringing that dust, the paint dust. So I really like it. I'm probably just gonna continue to do that with my other projects. I like the metal on here, the diamond shaped on the side, and I love the curvy legs. Gives it that French feel to it, and the French provincial hardware on it. It still had the original hardware, so I thought that was a really cute piece, and I picked that up really cheap at the thrift store. So wanted to share that with you guys. And I'll go ahead and get started on this project here, and then I will share with you the how it turns out. guys, Jessica here with a quick DIY paint project to share with you. I purchased this chalkboard on Facebook Marketplace, and originally it started out a higher price, but they dropped the price and I ended up getting it for $20, which I thought was a really good price for this really good sized large chalkboard. I think originally it was a picture though, and they painted over top of a picture. You can see the little label here that must have been for a picture. I'm not sure, but that's what I'm guessing. And it used to say on here, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it said dream big, little one. So I think this was in like a little girl's nursery or a little girl's bedroom, but had the pink flowers on here, which I knew I was going to be removing. Well, I tried to remove it the best I could with nail polish remover. It took some of the paint off, but I still have some on there, which is okay because I knew I was going to be needing to paint over top of this with some chalkboard paint. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. And I'm going to be using the Rust-Oleum chalkboard paint. And you can purchase that at your local Walmart or home store and or hardware store. Wherever you would like to get that. They have it at Home Depot, Lowe's, carries it as well. So anyways, I will be using some sponge brushes that I purchased from Dollar Tree store, and also this probably be using the roller from the Dollar Tree store as well. So it's just easy to throw those out when I'm done with it. I will also be using this plastic paint drop cloth from the Dollar Tree. And I also picked up this little kneeling pad from the Dollar Tree store as well. I thought that might be good for projects indoor or outdoors where I need to kneel, and I think that will come in handy. So I'll be using that today as well. So let's go ahead and get started on this project, guys. Okay, hey guys, here's the finished product. Really happy with how it turned out, and I ended up putting 3 coats of chalk paint on the chalkboard because I just wanted to make sure I had really good coverage on it. So I'm really happy, like I said, how this turned out, and I hope you guys like this little quick DIY as well. And I love the frame on here, and it was already distressed, so I really like that. And I just put it here above the desk. I have the computer right below here, so I think it looks great in the office / our schoolroom area here in the in our house. So hope you guys liked it, and let me know what you think about the wreath. Do you think it's too small? I wasn't sure if I should put a different one there or not, but for now, this magnolia wreath is gonna hang here, so but let me know in the comments below. All right, guys, thanks, bye-bye.